In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 403. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type %local app data and press Enter. Locate the Roblox folder. Right-click it and select Delete. Wait for the folder to be completely removed. This will clear Roblox's locally stored files, which can often resolve launch and authentication issues. Now try opening Roblox again. If Roblox still doesn't open the Start menu and search for Roblox. Select Uninstall. Wait for Roblox to be completely removed from your computer. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type Roblox and press Enter. Select the official Roblox app from the search results. Click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Once it's installed, click Open. Using the This Roblox version can often resolve error code 403 if the standard installation has become corrupted. Your Roblox game should now open without error code 403. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe.